Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be demonstrating the process of cleaning cushions easily at home. So let's go! Here I've taken a cushion, and these are normally the ones which have no cushion covers or can't be easily cleaned in the washing machine. So for this process, I'm using just 3 products. The first one is the Pink Stuff Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. It's a good foaming cleaner to clean all your upholstery items at home, though I'll be providing you the links to some other alternatives as well. Then the next product is my all-time favorite, Inalsa Carpet and Upholstery Vacuum Cleaner. It's a really good investment to clean the upholstery items available at your home. The last but not the least is a clothes disinfectant spray by Savlon, and I'll make sure to add the links to some other alternatives for this product as well. Now let's begin the cleaning process. First, take the foaming cleaner and spray all over the cushion on one side. Now switch on the vacuum cleaner and begin the cleaning process. There is also an option to spritz water for heavy staining. Now finish off with a disinfectant spray or a fabric refresher on both the sides, and you're done. Now let's take a look at the dirty water collected in the vacuum cleaner after cleaning this cushion, and this is after cleaning just one cushion.